The Philippine National Police Internal Affairs Service has concluded its investigation into the involvement of other police personnel in the killing of Jemboy Baltazar in Navotas on August 2. IAS Inspector General Attorney Alfigar Triambolo stated that they recommend dismissal from the service from the 8 policemen who shot Jemboy Baltazar.
Ang recommendation namin dito, kasi ang kinakaso namin panibago ay doon sa abandonment ng violation ng Article 275 ng Revised Penal Code. So yung 8 nung na-involve sa pagbaril kay Jemboy ay ulit nirekomenda namin na tanggalin sa serbisyo.
While 19 other personnel are facing a 59-day suspension for less grave neglect of duty in relation to the violation of police operational procedures.
Tapos yung body-worn camera na hindi daw nag-function, no? At dahil walang battery pero nag-operate. Ito po ay naka-issue kay PSSG John Burr Tagakay, no? Kaya siya po ay aming nirekomenda na isuspend ng 59 days sa kasong less grave neglect of duty. Yun po yung pinaka-maximum sa penalty for that administrative offense. Tapos yung mga ibang mga kasama nila doon sa operation na araw na yon, sila din po ay aming sinususpend ng 59 days. 59 days dahil sa violation ng police officer procedure.
A 30-day suspension has been recommended against the Navotas police investigator and his staff for simple neglect of duty.
Yung investigador at yung kanyang tauhan na si PCMS Aurelito Galvez, no? Dahil sila po ay napatunayan na walang kasalanan ng dishonesty sa sa mga untruthful statement doon sa kanilang investigation report. Dahil sila po ay nag-rely lang doon sa team leader na si Mark Joseph Carpio na sinabing 8. Pero bagamat nandoon, nakitaan pa rin namin ng lapses po sa kanilang investigasyon. Kasi hindi po nila pinaparapin test ang mga involved na personnel. Kaya ayon sa rules, sila po ay guilty ng simple neglect of duty. Kaya kami nag-recommend na isuspend po si Captain Juanito Arabijo na siyang hepe sa investigation ng Nabultas City Police Station ng suspension for 30 days kasama ang kanyang tauhan na si PCMS Galvez.
Attorney Triambolo added that they are still awaiting clearance from the President regarding the case of the Chief of Police of Navotas.
Yung kaso ni Chief ng Navotas, si Colonel Umipig, ay sa kasalukuyang hinintay po namin ang presidential clearance sapagkat siya po ay appointed ng presidente ayon sa rules ng existing rules ng PNP. Pag ikaw po ay nasa 3rd level at appointed ng presidente dahil sa power ng presidente to power to appoint and remove, so hiningian muna namin ng clearance whether to proceed the summary dismissal proceedings against doon sa COP.
On September 13, NCRPO Director Police Brigadier General Jose Melencio Nartates signed and approved the IAS recommendation concerning the 8 policemen who shot Jemboy due to mistaken identity. Leia Ilagan, UNTV, News and Rescue. We serve the people. We give glory to God.